The first thing you're going to do is to enter in the labels of the columns as instructed in A1, B1, and I'm going to show you C1. Now notice that it appears that the tuition and fees was cut off. It isn't cut off, it's just because the contents of the cell are too small to fit it. We are going to fix that later. So just continue on with the labels. When you are finished, you will have data in all the columns up to column N. The next thing you'll do is you're going to select B1 through N1, and then you're going to, on the Home tab in the Alignment group, you're going to click on Wrap Text, so you can see that all of these have been wrapped. Now there is one little problem here. You'll just go up here and move that over. So the next thing you'll do is you're going to make sure, here's the alignment. Now this is bottom aligned, and this is middle align, and this is top align. And that is the vertical alignment. The horizontal alignment, we're going to, for B1 through N1, we're going to make it right aligned. You will also notice that in column L, the app fee does not go on 2 lines. So just to make it all even, so everything is on 2 lines, you can click in the cells group under Format and click on Column Width and choose 7. And then you can see that that corrects that. I do want to talk about the way that the cursor changes and the way that you select cells in Excel, because it's kind of confusing sometimes to people. So you see that the cursor is kind of like a fat plus, and that will allow you to highlight and select text in a worksheet. Once that you come up to the selection, you see that there is a double arrow, and that is another thing that you can do, and that is moving text. So that allows you to move text. The last one is called the fill handle, and that is that little box in the lower right corner, and when you hover over it, it makes a plus sign, and when you drag it down, it copies the cells that you're trying to copy. So that's just a little bit of information for you to as you move forward in working with Excel. The next thing that we'll do is to go down to the bottom of the sheet where it says Sheet 1, and we're going to right click it, and we're going to say rename, and then we will type financials to rename the sheet. And the last thing we will do is to save the workbook. As your last name _ transfer colleges.